Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Promo. Today we will show you how to create your first professional AI video using Synthesia step by step. From signing up to generating your first video, your ultimate tech hub for smart tools, AI and Synthesia hacks. If you want to make AI videos easily without complicated software, stay tuned till the end, because I will show you all the tips you want make your videos look polished and professional. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss my future tutorials. Step 1. Access Synthesia. Open Google Chrome, search for Synthesia AI video generator. Click on the official Synthesia site, tap Get Started Free, then book a demo. This gives you access to their AI video creation tools without waiting for complicated approvals. Step 2. Create a basic account. Click Basic, Continue. Continue with Google, select your Gmail, then press Continue. Boom! Your Synthesia account is ready. Next, select your department, choose video type you interested in. Answer how to learn about Synthesia. Skip the invite teammates step, optional. This ensures your account is fully customized for your AI video needs. Step 3. Set up profile. What you want need you to set up profile. So click your profile icon, account info, upload a profile picture for a professional touch. Here you can also change password, name or manage billing. This makes your account look customized and ready for publishing professional videos. Step 4. Create your first video. Click the create icon. Explore free templates and your recent edits. Tap Start from blank to make a video from scratch. If you want me to make a full AI video using Synthesia, hit like now and comment below AI video tutorial. I will make a full example just for you. Step 5. Edit your video. In the editor, you can add avatars, insert text, use shapes and media elements, record your own voice or use AI voice option. Everything is drag and drop, so even beginners can make professional videos easily. Pro tip: use consistent branding and clear text overlays for professional look. Step 6. Generate a download. Once your video is ready, click Generate. Wait for AI to process. Click Download. Now you have a fully professional AI video ready to share on YouTube, social media or presentation, what you want. Your bonus tip for my subscriber. Use avatar with natural expression for realistic videos. Always check voice, scenes and text element. Try different templates for experimentation. Keep videos under 5 minutes for better engagement on YouTube. And that's how you create a professional AI video on Synthesia step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe to Preyo Promo, turn on the bell icon for more AI tech and Synthesia hack, any kind of AI hack. Comment below which AI video idea you want me to create next. I will make it for you.